HubSpot is a customer relationship management tool. Utilize HubSpot for email automation, in-depth customer insights, performance and reporting, customer tracking, and you also have the ability to design and distribute a newsletter. Automatically pull submission data from Paperform straight to your HubSpot account. Keep all your customer and client data in one place and use HubSpot's customer experience automation tools to deliver personalized experiences. When your form is submitted, automatically create or update your HubSpot contacts. Control all your customer data in one place so you can build relationships, make more sales, and grow your business. Here, we can see I've used Paperform's newsletter subscription form template. When someone completes the form and subscribes to my newsletter, I want to create a new contact within my HubSpot CRM. So let's look at how we can achieve this. Please note that before we set up the integration, we will need to run a test submission. This is so the integration can test a connection with real data. From the form editor, I'll head up to After Submission, Integrations and Webhooks. And below Direct Integrations, I will click on the HubSpot icon. I will then select Create or Update New Contact. I will then be prompted to log in to my HubSpot account. Just click the Add Account button. This will open a new window prompting us to allow our Paperform to connect to our HubSpot account. We will be asked to either select our account, to log in, or to create an account. And not to worry, HubSpot actually offers a free plan. Once we have successfully connected our HubSpot account, next we will need to select the information that will be merged with our contact. On the right-hand side of each of the fields, we will see an icon. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. We will then see all of the question fields within our form. I'll need to select the correlating question field. For the email address, I will select my email question field. For the first name, I will select my first name question field, and so on. Now that we have selected what question fields will be merged into our HubSpot account with the contact, it is time to run a test on the connection. Click Send Test. And voila, it was a success. If I hop into my HubSpot dashboard, head to Contacts, we can see that my test submission has been automatically populated into my HubSpot contacts list. All that's left to do now is click Finish Setup. Scrolling down, if we ever want to turn off this integration, we simply toggle this here. And if we'd like to configure the settings of the integration, then we click on the gear icon. We hope this has been a helpful video, and if you'd like to learn more about Paperform, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Good luck and happy form making!